Richo, I know you're making a sweet bun, but I'm going to show you a savoury version that's very easy for mums if you're on the fly and you need to get some veggies into your kids. And I'm going to use some fancy duck. Now, I'll tell you something, duck is something I tend to shy away from because I go it's too hard, but something like this makes it really easy. Chuck it in a pan and it's going to be done in 12 minutes in the oven.
So it's got all the flavour, it's cooked all the way through, you're just heating it up and making it even more delicious.
Correct. So this is how easy it is, Richo. I'm going to put these in a pan and can you see all those beautiful juices there? All the flavour?
Yeah.
That means I don't have to do anything. So that's a good thing for me. So this is what I do. That's the flavour. Kids are screaming, kids are hungry, I'll give that to you. This goes in the oven for 12 minutes and meanwhile we're going to prep all the stuff that's going to go in the bun.
I can do that.
Can I get you to chop us some cucumber and carrot?
I can do that.
And some spring onion as well, because they're all going to go into these beautiful bao buns that I've already got pre-prepared. I bet you make your own.
I do, but it's a lot easier when you buy your own, isn't it?
Well, it is, yes. So you can get these from an Asian grocer. You can often find them at supermarkets now. But these are done for you. You steam them for literally 5 minutes and you have dinner ready. How good is that? And you can pack them with all sorts of goodness.
And I'm thinking this is not just for the kids, it's also if you've got some guests coming over and you want to do something a little bit fancy, you haven't got time, so you can put it all together in a matter of minutes and it's ready to go.
It's ready to go, but my thing is this, when I'm on the fly and I know I need to feed my children, this is a really easy way to do it. The duck's already flavoured, this is really easy to steam, they're getting some rainbows in, everyone's a winner. And that's when we sing the song.
We can sing a song, and I was going to say that there's nothing more dangerous in this world than a hungry child.
It's true.
It is.
You need to come to my house at feeding time, it's very dangerous.
No, little children, no. I've been there, done that, it's not my time.
Okay.
So the baos are steaming, the duck's cooking, and I'm chopping the veg.
Perfect. I can stand here and watch, and then soon it will be time to bring this all together. So Richo, look at this. Duck is done. I'm going to pass you these bao buns, which have been steaming for about 5 minutes. They're ready to go. Look at that.
I could eat them just like that.
Well, you could. You actually could, but you can put anything in here. This is easy peasy. Could you just slice them open so we can put deliciousness inside, please? Okay. And I'm going to take the duck breasts and slice them for us. Let's get that out of the way. Beautiful. How easy is this?
Now, do you want me to just lay them out in front of you here so we can load them up?
Then we're going to make them together, Richo.
Oh, I'm liking this.
It's going to be a little team. I think you could have sliced this better, but you know what? At home, my kids wouldn't judge me, so this is fine. Look at that. Now, we're going to put these together, Richo, so you can do it your way and I can do it my way, and it's all still going to be okay. Okay. Agree?
I've got the sauce coming out here. This is really thick sauce, this one, so I'll just give it a little tap like this.
And can I say that is the finishing touch to this bao bun? It's the hoisin. The hoisin takes that flavour. Don't you think duck and hoisin are just meant to be together?
The beautiful combination.
They
a marriage
are.
made in heaven. And plum sauce is also a great little combination with duck.
But hoisin is the winner, I think, personally. All right, let's do this. You take a bun. Okay. They're like little Pac-Man.
Little Pac-Man.
That's what my daughter says.
Exactly.
So interesting. So I'll do it my way and you guys can tell us how you feel about it.
I thought that's what you said. You do it my way and
yeah,
I'll do
correct.
it my way.
I was judging you slightly from the side, but that's okay.
Can you load me up with some duck, please?
I can help you out.
I'm liking that a lot.
Good. 2 bits.
Oh, I can have another one, but that's enough. I'll just start with 2.
Okay, good. All right.
Now, I'll put some hoisin on the top of that one because we need the hoisin with the duck. Plenty of that on there. Would you like me to put some hoisin on yours?
I would. Go for it. Beautiful.
Hoisin over the top
Look
there.
at these veggies going in. You could put more veggies if you wanted to put radish. I've used all sorts of weird things that I've got lying around the fridge. Look at that.
Fantastic. I'm going to tuck straight into this.
Go for it. I'm going to just prove that these are so versatile. You can put more rainbows in there, more veggies. These are good noises coming from Richo when he starts doing that weird groaning sound.
You don't need more of anything. That's perfect just the way it is. I love the bun. It's so soft and delicious. The duck is packed with flavour. I love the duck. Hoisin sauce and the veggies give it crunch. I like that a lot.
And you've seen how easy it is. So I think for people at home, the duck is really, really easy to do. You can put whatever veggies you have in at home and that is a great nutritious meal.